Hey there, friends. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness with a specific focus on sit-ups for beginners. Trust me, once you master these exercises, your core strength will be the envy of everyone around you. First up, let's take a look at the sit-up. Start by lying flat on your back. Keep your feet firmly planted on the ground and bend your knees. Bring your hands behind your head and interlace your fingers. This is the starting position for our first exercise. Next, we'll be doing what's called a regular sit-up. As you inhale, engage your abdominal muscles to lift your upper body off the ground. Make sure not to pull on your head or neck. They should be loose and relaxed during this movement. Exhale as you return to the starting position. Repeat this action for as many reps as you choose. Remember to maintain proper form throughout this exercise. It's crucial for avoiding any potential injuries or strain on your neck or lower back. And there you have it, folks. The most basic yet effective sit-up exercise for beginners. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and workout routines. Until next time, stay strong and keep working towards those fitness goals.